Welcome to the course Python Programming. I am Dr. P. Govardhan, Professor of Computer Science and Engineering. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn important methods of tuple, inserting elements in tuple, modifying elements of a tuple, deleting elements from a tuple, tuple comprehension. Important methods of tuple. Now the first method is count method. Now this is the syntax, tuple name dot count of x. Now this function returns how many times the element x is found in the tuple. So for example, tuple 12, 45, 32, 12, 45, 6, 12. I want to find the particular element how many times present in the tuple. Say tuple, that is tuple name or object name dot count of 12. Now this method returns how many times the 12 present in the tuple. Now the second method is index method. Now the syntax, tuple name dot index of x. Now this function returns the first occurrence of the element in the tuple. Suppose the x is not present in the tuple, it raises a value error. So this is the example. Now tuple is equal to 12, 1, 34, 23, 1, 45, 12. I want to find the index of the element 1. Now tuple dot index of 1. This function returns index value of 1, that is 1. Similarly, tuple dot index of 12. Now this function returns index of the 12. Now here the 12 occurrence 2 times. Now this returns the first occurrence of the index. Now 0. Tuple dot index 45. Now the index of the 45 returns, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45 is the at index position 5. Now that 5 will be displayed on the screen. Tuple dot index of 24. I am trying to find the index of the 24. Now observe here, the 24 is not present in the tuple. It raises error. That error is called value error. Now x not in tuple. That means the value x is not present in the tuple. Sorted method. Now this function sorts the elements of a tuple either into ascending order or into the descending order. Suppose generally the sorted method returns ascending order. Suppose I want to display the elements in the descending order, I am passing reverse is equal to true. Now this function sorts the reverse order, that is in descending order. Say for example, tuple is equal to 12, 56, 78, 23, 59, 33, 45, 19, 76. I want to sort the tuple in ascending order. Simply I am passing the object to the sorted function. Sorted of tuple. Now the entire tuple is in the ascending order. Suppose I want to write all the elements in the descending order. Now the one extra parameter, that is reverse is equal to true. Now in this case all the elements are in descending order. I will show practically. This is the tuple. Tuple is equal to some elements 12, 34, 67, 12, 55, 77, 12, 55, 77, 89. These are the elements of the tuple. I want to count the particular element how many times present in the tuple. I am using the count method. Now here the object is P is the name of the tuple dot count count of 12. I want to print this. Now this value, the count is stored in the variable n. Now I want to print the value of n. Print n. Now I am executing the program. Observe here. The element 12 present 3 times in the tuple. Similarly, I want to find how many times the element 77 occur in the tuple. I want to execute this 2 times. 77 present 2 times. Suppose I am trying to count how many times 100 is present in the tuple. Observe here, the 100 is not element in the tuple. Now the 100 counts 0 times. 0 times. There is no 100, that is 100 present 0 times in the tuple. The next method, index method. The next method is index method. I want to find the index of the particular element. Now n is equal to t dot index of 12. Index of 12. Now observe here, 12 present 3 times. Now the index of the 12 returns the first occurrence, that is 0 will be displayed on the screen. 0 will be displayed on the screen. Suppose I want to find the index of 77. What is the index of 77? 77 is also 2 times present. The first occurrence is this, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the index of 77 is 5 will be displayed on the screen. 5 is displayed on the screen. Similarly, I want to find 89. 89. Now what is index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the index 9 will be displayed on the screen. Suppose I want to find the index of the 100. Now the 100 is not present in the tuple. Now we get an error. That error is value error. That is x not in the tuple. The error is value error. Now the next method, sorted. Now I am assuming 122, 34, 67, 112, 55, 57, 12, 75, 77, 89. I want to display all the elements of the tuple in an ascending order. In ascending order, I want to use sorted function. Sorted of t. Sorted of t. Now all the elements are displayed in ascending order. Let's execute this. All the elements displayed in the ascending order. Observe 12, 34, 55, 57, 67, 75, 77, 89, 112, 124. Suppose I want to display all the elements in the descending order. I am using reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal to true. Now in this case, all the elements of the tuple displayed in the descending order. Now observe this: 122, 112, 89, 77, 75, 67, 75, 57, 55, 34, 12. Now all the elements are in the descending order. Now the elements is in the form of a list. Inserting element in a tuple. Now the tuple is immutable data type. We cannot modify the elements of the tuple, even though it is immutable. We can insert the new element into the tuple. Now this is the logic. Now the first step, copy the elements of x from 0th position to the position into the y, another variable. I am showing the y. Y is equal to, I am using here slicing operation. X of 0 comma position minus 1. Next, create the new value, new tuple, create the tuple with new. This tuple has a single value. Now new is equal to value comma, concatenate the new element to the new tuple y. Now y is equal to y plus new. Now the new is concatenate to this tuple. Next, concatenate the remaining elements of x to the new tuple y. The total tuple can be stored with the old name x, that is x is equal to x plus x of position minus 1 colon. Now the new element is inserted into the tuple. It's not a direct way, it is an indirect way. Now I am explaining this. This is the tuple. This is the tuple. Some elements. First, I want to enter the position. Position is equal to int of input enter position. Enter position. Now first another element. First create the new element. New is equal to I want to enter 199. This is the element. I want to enter the new. I want to insert 199 into the tuple. Next, I am creating y is equal to x of, I am using slice operator, from 0th element to position minus 1. Position minus 1. Next, I am concatenate the element new into the tuple y. Y is equal to y plus new. Y plus new. Next, I want to concatenate the remaining elements of the tuple y, that is x is equal to y plus x of position to n. Now I want to print t. Print. Now assuming it is a x. Now this is the x. Position minus 1. Now I am executing this. Enter position. I want to insert at third position. Now observe here. This is the output. What is third position? 0, 1, 2. That is 1, 2, 3. Third position. 1, 2, 3. In third position, 129 129 is present in the tuple. That means 129 is inserted into the tuple. Next, 67, 112, 55, 57, 12, 75, 77, 89. Now observe here. Now in this, I want to find the length of the tuple. Print length is equal to length is equal to length of x, length of x, before inserting the element, after inserting the element, after inserting the elements. Now I am executing this. Now in position 5, observe in position 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 129 will be displayed on the insert into the tuple. Suppose I am executing this. I am entered the position 200. It's not in present. The 200 is not, now it is the out of the limits. Even though if it is out of the limits, 129 is inserted at the end. 199 is inserted at the end. Before inserting 10, length is 7, 10. After inserting, the length is 7. Now this is the example. Modify elements of a tuple. In this we cannot modify the elements of the tuple directly, even though the tuple is immutable, we can modify the elements of the tuple. This is the method. Create a new tuple with a new value in the position of the modified element. Now the step 1 is copy the elements of x from 0th position to position into y. First I am copying. Next concatenate the new element to the new tuple. New element to the new tuple, that is y is equal to y plus new. Here new is a tuple with a single value. Third one, concatenate the remaining elements from x by the elements by eliminating the element which is at position -1, that is x is equal to x plus x is equal to y plus x of position. And executing this. Now the same program, this is the tuple. I want to print the length of the tuple. Now in this need not this is the tuple x. First I want to enter the position. Now I want to modify the particular element by 129. First y is equal to x colon 0 x of 0 colon position of -1. Y is equal to new. Now x is equal to y plus position to end. I want to concatenate x position to end to the y. Now observe here, enter position. Suppose position is 4. Observe here, in this position 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. The position for 1, 1, 12. 1, 1, 12 is replaced by 199. 1, 1, 12 is replaced by 199. Suppose I want to replace at position 333. Now there is no position 33. Now the element 199 is modified to the last element. 199 the last element. Here 333 is not in the tuple, even though I want to modify the element at this position. This position is not present in the tuple. Now that new element is inserted at the end. This is the example. Deleting elements from a tuple. We cannot delete any element from the tuple because if it is, the tuple is immutable. Now we can delete the elements. This is the procedure. Copy all the elements into the new tuple except the element which is to be deleted. Now this is step 1. Copy the elements of x from 0th position to position y. This is the syntax. Y is equal to x of 0 column position minus 1. Next, concatenate the remaining element from x by eliminating the element which is at position minus 1. That is, x is equal to y plus x of position to end. I am executing this. Now the same program. Now this step is not necessary for new. Enter the position. Now x is equal to x colon, x is equal to x of 0 colon, position to minus 1. Now I am copying all the elements x of position to minus 1 to y. After this I want to print this. Using this program, now the particular position element in the particular position will be deleted. The particular position will be deleted. I am executing this. Enter. Assuming fifth. The fifth position element will be deleted from the tuple. This is the original tuple. What is fifth position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 55. Now the element at fifth position will be deleted. Observe here. 122, 34, 57, 1112. There is no 55. That is the element 55 will be deleted. 57, 12, 75, 77, 18. This is the example. Delete the particular element from the tuple at a given position. This is the example. Next, tuple comprehension. Tuple comprehension is not supported by Python. Now this is the syntax. Now the tuple comprehension generate a generator. That is, say for example, tuple t is equal to x double star 2, that is x square, for each x in the range 0 to 6. That is, x takes 1 to 6. X takes 1 power 2, that is 1. X takes 2 square value. X takes 3 square. X takes 4 square. X takes 5 square. Now here we are not getting tuple object. Now we are getting a generator object. We are getting a generator object. Say for example, the same, I am trying to print t. Now the output is a generator object. A generator object. Now we are getting a generator object at this position. At this position, I am executing this. Tuple t is equal to some x square for x in range 1 to 20, 1 to 20. I want to print t. Now I am executing this. Observe here, it generate a generator object. Display a generator object at this. Now I want to get new value. I want to get original tuple. I am using the tuple function. I am using the tuple function. T1 is equal to tuple of t. After this, I want to print T1. We get all the elements of the tuple in the range 1 to 20 is a square divided. That is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, up to 19 square. 19 square is 361. This is the way to create a tuple using a tuple comprehension. I am going to stop here. Thank you.